Now that I have my tea, let's get this show started. Today, we are going to discuss something super significant to the millennials. No, we are not going to discuss the Gen Z. And yes, it is going to make you feel old, just like everything else does today. On a more serious note, what we are going to discuss today is something which has grabbed worldwide attention recently. Often, what happens is whenever there is some, gender positive story, we tend to just scroll up and down, double tap maybe, and get over with it. But this time, something happened which made us wait and think about it. And that was the influencer and super awesome Deepa Khosla Bulair. She attended the Cannes Film Festival and posted a very viral picture. What was this picture, you ask? I'm sure you already know. But it was a picture where she was wearing this very gorgeous gown and she had her breast pumps on. This picture she posted was her response to the enormous amount of hate that she received because of her decision to leave her newborn Dua behind, her daughter behind, to attend a 2-day film festival, which was a significant part for her career. So this made us think that should we not discuss about this? Why is it that every time a career woman steps into motherhood, there is so much hate around her? If she decides to focus a little bit on her career, does it make her any less of a mother? And to discuss the same thing, we couldn't have someone more significant at this point. Yes, we have someone who is not just the former Miss Polo International, an entrepreneur and a gorgeous woman herself, but a new mommy too. So let's welcome Nazneen Sheikh. Hi Nazneen.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, and I need to add this here because we did not even know this would happen, but we are discussing motherhood and career woman today, and Nazneen has managed to somehow make some time for this. Her husband and her child is in the car downstairs because she needs to make time for this. So I don't think somebody would be more relevant than you to discuss that. Why is this happening? Are you facing some change in your perspective of career because you became a mother?
Of course, a lot, because हमारी जो society है वो इससे बोलने में believe करती है कि जियो और जीने दो, but वो ऐसा करती नहीं है.
Right.
So इसीलिए बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ा है इस चीज़ को लेकर. But I think if you are focused on what you want,
right,
if you have your goals in front of you, it's not gonna matter anymore.
Absolutely. Do you ever face the mother's guilt? Like I am not a mother yet, but I have like 3 cats and I still face mother's guilt. Like I just can't believe it. Like, if I have to leave them for a shoot or something and we are traveling, I'm like constantly thinking, shit, I left them behind, oh God, I'm such a bad cat mommy, and I can't even imagine what you must be going through now doing this podcast, leaving your son behind in the car with your husband.
So about the mother's guilt, just 1 hour back I felt that before coming here, because I was in a car and my baby was, in my arms, my husband was driving.
Right.
I was just looking at him and I'm like, am I doing it right? Am I doing right to you? Am I a good mother?
Yeah.
Am I not? Like, इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस थे मेरे दिमाग में कि क्या मैं सही में सब कुछ सही कर रही हूँ just for me? I don't want to be that mean. So many multiple thoughts are coming behind in the head. And then again you have to be, when you are on the floor, you have to be that flawless, you have to be that confident no matter whatever is happening in your head and in your heart.
Right.
It's not just the matter of your head. Now, being a mother, it's a matter of your heart too. You are connected to a, life who is dependent on you.
Right.
And somewhere you are living that life behind.
Right.
Just, to grab that opportunity.
Correct.
Or whatever goals you want to cover up.
Yeah.
So,
but is that a bad thing, or is it just the years of socialization which makes us feel this way? What do you think?
It's not a bad thing.
Right.
I believe that because as per generations इस हिसाब से evolve हो रही है. We all have
Exactly.
We have to make our kids that strong, that independent.
Right.
Because see, आज किसी के पास किसी के लिए time नहीं है.
True.
Right?
True.
So when it comes to baby also, like nurturing, I don't call it as giving him time. It's just like nurturing. It's my responsibility because I got him, because he is dependent on me, my kid.
True.
So
Yeah, so I can understand. Like, I think there's I can actually try to understand rather, because you know, someone who's not a mom yet, I don't think I do have the right to comment on something like that. I can just share like what I feel. Like, a part of me feels that I'm worried because you know, like once I started Don't Call Me Princess, the footwear brand, I'm so invested in it right now, and I've been married to my husband and co-founder for 2 years now. But like this whole idea of bringing a baby to this world sort of is a question for me right now, because I tend to compare it with my mother, you know, and who had always been there for me. Like always. Like I have had moments like, mom, कल एग्जाम है और मैंने पढ़ा नहीं, मेरे को 4 बजे उठना है. तो mama will also wake up with me. She'll sit right next to me till I finish my, you know, chapter and then go for exams. Like, I don't have that sort of time on my plate. So I don't know. Does that, like, I'm just so always in this question, will I be a good mom, you know? And you who's experiencing it for yourself, I think, tell me, will I be a like bad mom if I like prioritize my career a little bit, you know?
So the thing is,
Yeah.
जब आप माँ बनते हो ना,
हाँ जी.
mom, तब good or bad नहीं होता है. This is what I have, you know, now. It's been 60 days to my baby in my arms, or 9 months, you know, inside me.
Yes.
So nothing is about good or bad. जब आप mom बनते हो ना, it's all just about love. It's your way of giving him love.
Yeah.
Like, forget about the world. उन्हें कैसे जज करना है? किसी की मॉम उनके पास में पास ही रहती है, तो देखिए वो बच्चे पे कैसे हो रहे हैं. किसी की मॉम उन्हें छोड़ के जा रही है, तो देखिए वो बच्चे कैसे. लाइक सबका अपना तरीका है. मॉम कैन नॉट बी परफेक्ट और गुड,
Right.
or bad. Mom is mom.
Yeah.
That's it. Full
There's no
stop.
competition. There's
Full
no
stop.
Right,
That's it.
right. So, thank you so much, Nazneen, for doing this with us. And it happened pretty quick, and we did not take cuts. We were amazing. It just came. I think it's like a heart to heart.
Yeah.
It felt more like a heart to heart, because this has been like, you know, I do think that, you know, will I be a good mom? And, you know, talking with someone who has accomplished so much in life and has so much more to go in life, you know, and is a new mom, it was a good chat, you know. This brings us to the end of this segment. Next up is Spill the Tea. So this segment is called Spill the Tea, Nazneen.
Okay.
In this segment of the Rambling Teapot, what we usually do is we plan something to put our guests under the spotlight, so that you ramble more. Okay.
Oh.
All right. So for you, we have a couple of questions, and just say it quickly, whatever the first thing that comes to your mind. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. So the first question: top 5 things that come to your mind when I say Arslan, your son.
Fearless, independent, confident, a good heart, and my lifeline.
Oh, that's so cute. All right. Next, hardest thing about being a mom.
Being a mom.
Yes. Being a mom. Okay. Got it. Yes. All right. Okay. If you have to choose between sleeping and going on a date with your husband, what would you choose?
Of course, going with a date on my.
Nice. But we got the feeling.
Excitement.
It's just on a date. Date night. Alright. Now, a new mommy. So, you know, if you have to choose between footwear, heels or flats.
Of course, heels.
Still heels, right?
Still heels.
Up top, girl. I like this. That's amazing. Yeah, like we did not have to give up on things we like, right? You don't have to. Right. True. Okay. Final question. Best thing about being a mom.
My son.
Oh, it's ultimately your
Best
child.
thing about being a mom is when I feed my son,
Yeah.
like I forget everything.
Huh.
It's like, I don't know, I start giving blessings to him. I start praying for him when he's in my arms, when I'm feeding him. This is the only thing I used to do, and like 20 मिनट हो जाता है, 1 घंटा निकल जाता है, और बस he is with me, I'm with him, and
That's it.
that's the best thing.
Oh, That's super cute. Thank you so much, Nazneen, for doing this with us and shedding some light onto you know the millennial population regarding what are the things associated with motherhood, and especially when you have a strong career to pursue, And we would be back with another such episode very soon. Until then, do everything you can do. Go follow our social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our Pinterest. I don't remember what channels I have more. Okay, Instagram, Rambling Teapot, Don't Call Me Princess Official. Just do it. I just did an integration of another brand in my brand-based show, but we don't make sneakers, guys. Bye.